So what does organic really mean? Well, some people would say that all carbon-based molecules are organic. But if you follow that analogy, petroleum itself would technically be termed organic. But I don't think so. Put simply, organic means produce that is grown and processed without the use of synthetic chemical-based fertilizers and pesticides, and no genetically modified organisms are allowed. But maybe even this definition is a little bit too technical. So why don't we think of what is organic in terms of a philosophy, or a way of life, if you will? At every stage of production, an organic farmer makes a very conscious decision to have as little an impact on the environment as possible. And they always put the health and well-being of the consumer first, which is where it should be. Let's take a look at the stark differences between conventional and organic farming methods. We're going to take a trip to a carrot farm. Now, even before a seed is sown, the conventional farmer will fumigate his soils with chemicals to kill off any naturally occurring fungicides. Then he'll fertilize the soil with a chemically laden petroleum-based fertilizer. On the other hand, the organic farmer simply throws out a natural-based fertilizer like chook poo to enrich his soils. The conventional farmer will even soak the tiny carrot seeds with insecticides and fungicides before planting them. Once the seeds are planted, another chemical is added to the irrigation water in an effort to kill off any ants attempting to steal away the newly sown seeds. Now, because the organic farmer doesn't overwork his land or use chemicals in his soil, he has a fantastic seedbed full of natural organic goodness. Ants will not go digging to find the seeds buried in the healthy soil, so they simply march on by. Now look, the carrots are starting to come up, and at this stage, the conventional farmer will start spraying them with weedicide. But it does look like the organic farmer also has the dreaded weed problem. But unlike the conventional farmer, he will get rid of these weeds without using harmful chemicals. Some organic farmers, before seeding, will irrigate the field, let the weeds grow, and then kill them off with a flame weeder. Now this is a really cool tool. Flame weeders use the same clean natural gas that you use in your barbecue. Other organic farmers might use animals to eat the pests, but most will still rely on good old hard yakka and remove the weeds by hand. It's been about 3 months now, and the carrots are ready to eat. Now, let's stop and think about all the pesticides and weedicides that the carrots on conventional farms have absorbed. What happens once you eat those carrots? Are we not what we eat? So by default, we are absorbing pesticide residue, which could make us sick. I know which one my family and I would rather eat. Fantastic! You all now have decided that your health is important to you, and you want to go organic. But how can you be sure what you are getting is truly organic? As consumers, we deserve a guarantee of organic integrity, and that is where certification comes in. Genuine organic products, be they fruit and veggies, clothing, or cosmetic products, must be certified